Sanle Plastic Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales and services of plastic bottle, plastic jar, plastic cap, plastic cup, plastic container, plastic box. We use such raw materials as PE, PP, PS, PVC, PET, PET, ABS, PA, PMMA, and other new materials. We are located in Taizhou, Zhejiang, with convenient transportation access. Our company covers an area of 8,000 square meters and has 87 employees. Meanwhile, our company has related printing and bronzing workshops. We are particularly skilled in improving technology and searching new products. We have great capabilities of making products according to the molds and complex packaging. Due to our rich experience, advanced technology, and flexible management, we have been providing plastic packaging materials to many famous companies both at home and abroad for many years. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, 14001 certificates. Our overseas clients come from such countries and regions as USA, Japan, England, Finland, Australia, the Middle East, Russia, and South Korea, insisting on the principle of development based on the innovation. We also believe the quality and credit are the most important in the trade. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We also welcome new and old customers from all walks of life to contact us for future business relationships and achieving mutual success.